Bulldog from Flatstock, Art 1. Go over the edge of the handle. Trying to round this up. And you want a little fish lip in that you'll then upset back into a piece. So far. So you keep rounding that up until you get something like that. The next step is to fold it back on itself. And you want to use less material on that fold than you think you'll need, otherwise you'll have a really long face like this. So this was destined for the scrap pile. You don't want that much material for the first fold. Got the other one heating up, so we're going to take about that much material and fold it over onto itself. So that's what we have now. Now we're going to take this whole thing and fold it back again the other. Okay, we're going to take a little bit more material over the edge of the anvil this time, because this is where your ears and your eyes will come from. Fold it back onto itself. This shows up on camera hotter than it is.